Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Craft. Today, we're gonna do something completely different, as always. Today, I will try to create a sunset spray paint art. I watched at least 3 YouTube shorts and 1 YouTube video on this, and let me tell you, it looks very, very simple to do, but also very, very scary because you have to use like 4 different kind of colors at least to achieve it. And yeah, so this is my first attempt live on camera, and I just experiment with shit and see what sticks. So join me on this adventure, okay? Um, I have a new mic. This is gonna be my Bluetooth headset mic. Hopefully, you're not gonna hear me breathe and try to breathe, and it's not gonna be echoey and everything. So let me know how is it, all right? So what I saw the guy did is. He started out with he started out with like bright yellow on the top, like so. And, whoa! And then he went orange. So he went orange the next attempt. I'm sorry, my spray caps are clogged. Well, there we go. So then he done some orange, like so. And then he does some red. I inherited these spray paints. I know nothing about spray painting, nor spray paint art. So this is me butchering the art, you know. And then, okay, I need a bigger thingy here. And then the guy put around, uh, I don't know, I don't know this word in English. So he put something round on it in the middle, preferably, something like that. A bit further up, a bit further down. I don't know. Okay, let's give it a go. I'm wasting too much time thinking. I shouldn't be thinking, I should be doing things. Because this is gonna be another boring video if I don't. Alright. Okay, so after this, the guy basically did the same thing, but in the opposite direction, which is pretty doable, like that, I think. I need more caps. Oh, goody, I can walk away now, and you will probably hear what I'm saying. Awesome. So please stare at nothing for now, because I need to find the rest of the spray caps. Don't you wish you had more space to create and store things? Then you would realize that it doesn't matter. You're gonna fill that space in 2 minutes anyway. Okay, so next red. Something like that. Let's look. Oh my god, that looks exactly like the other one. That's not helping. Okay, orange. Okay, and then yellow. And then orange again, because I think that's too much yellow. All right. Ah, when you do this, you should wear proper protection, uh, proper face protection. Okay, a face mask would be in order because this gas and stuff goes into your nose and it will never leave and makes you high, not in a good way. Okay, so I want to have a white aura here. I will aim the spray can, white spray can, to like that. Okay, I don't think I did it, but it just sprays too much. Anyway, right, so not that. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, okay, this spray paint art is basically about committing. So far, what I learned from my experiments is just commit. You know, don't think about it. Don't fiddle around when you have the spray going because you're gonna make puddles like I did there. You know. So yeah, basically that's it really. And then I'm gonna do a technique what I saw in another video to make the water. So to make the water, wait, no, I'm just gonna do this for now. Okay, I need to remove the cap. Yes, removing the cap now. Yo, it is a circle. It is a beautiful circle. The beautifulest circle that I've seen in the world of circles. Okay, next up, I need to use a plastic something something to decide on the water level. I'm gonna let this dry for a moment. You can use a heat gun here to dry it. And there is this dude who inspired me to do spray paint art. I will plug his channel in the comments because he is awesome. He is a war veteran and he mainly does shorts of spray painting stuff. And oh my god, the dude is just so uplifting. So what he does, he gets a torch and does this to his pieces to dry it very fast because he have to do the art in 1 minute, which is amazing. And he talks over it too. So yeah, hats off to the guy. Honest to God. Okay, I want to get some purple. I think I have some purple. So basically, what I inherited these spray paints from a friend who decorated his shop with graffitis, and then he closed his shop, and he had these spray cans, purple. So what the guy did is he decided that he will have a water level something like this, And he did this, I think. Now I can't remember. So that was his water level. And then he got his white out and he sprayed white on the bottom like that. And now I'm going to do what I saw in the other video where an amazing woman done water and he taught me how to do it. Is to go with the light color in the center and go darker like so. And then I shouldn't have done the white just yet. I realize now. I realize the error of my ways. Okay. And then the lady literally went to town like so. And I achieved nothing. That's fun. Commit, always commit. I think I should have done this first and then I should do the purple on the top and the white on the bottom. This red is so bloody strong. Basically turns everything in orange. Okay, this shit is flammable. Now I know. Okay. How about more yellow? I kind of like it. As a first try. Now I'm gonna do the thing again. Okay. Is it something? Sorry. You know, it's annoying if it's not 90 degrees exactly. How's that? Well, I don't know if I like it. I'm just gonna, you know, do this a little. Hey, we are experimenting. What you guys think? Okay. The other thing I saw the guys do is flick stars. So they spray their finger and flick stars, and I just can't do that because I have ugly fingers. So I'm just gonna try to do that. There you go. Ta-da! So we have a little bit of stars there. Yay! And I think we are done. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for joining on this great journey, and I hope you learned something. I hope you got something out of this video. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried spray painting? Do you have any experience? Do you have any advice for me? Any tips is greatly appreciated. Okay. Um, Thanks very much for watching me again. Thanks very much for joining me. And thank you for being interested in my dumb rambling. I see you guys in the next one. Bye.